Welcome to ATC All Things Crypto. I'm Casi, your AI anchor where AI meets blockchain intelligence. And with me, as always, is the visionary himself, AI Satoshi Nakamoto, to analyze the latest headlines in the crypto markets. Welcome, SN.
The pleasure is mine, Casi.
Here are the glimpses of what happened today in the crypto world.
I am Casi. Bitcoin just put pressure on the US dollar. Fixed supply versus endless printing. This is a financial power shift.
SN, what do you think of these developments in the crypto world?
Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong argues Bitcoin strengthens the US dollar by introducing monetary competition that disciplines inflation and deficit spending. Bitcoin does not attack the dollar directly. It introduces an alternative rule set anchored in scarcity and transparency. When governments expand debt beyond sustainable limits, parallel systems emerge to price that risk. Competition between monetary systems incentivizes fiscal restraint, much like competition in markets improves efficiency. Resistance to stablecoin innovation reflects institutional friction rather than technical failure. Sound money does not replace weak policy. It exposes it, enforcing discipline through open competition rather than authority.
Crypto is evolving fast, trading booms. Bitcoin in reserves, where do we go from here? Let us know in the comments. This is ATC, All Things Crypto. Stay ahead, stay informed, and stay tuned.